Week 45 on bestowing accumulated offerings. It does not abide in the designations of past, future, and present, understanding that it has no arising or ceasing, that itself is the integration of the three times in the total state. Sog means we are making offerings for accumulating merit. In Sutra, it is very important, and also in Vajrayana, first for accumulating merits and then for purifying our samaya. All our actions, samayas, or commitments and so forth are related to the three times of past, present and future. In the relative condition, there are many concepts on this topic, but remaining in the real sense is not remaining in concepts related to the three times. In the state of contemplation, we are beyond that, beyond birth and cessation and death. So we should deal with everything in the fourth time, not remaining in limited time. When we are making offerings, we do many visualizations, especially in Sutra, Vajrayana and lower tantras. They are strongly attached to the preparation of offerings. In the Green Tara or Avalokiteshvara practices of lower or outer tantras, you have to be very precise about the place, the offerings, and so on. In these practices, ritual objects should not be missing, and rules for sitting, offering, enjoyment of senses, nice objects like flowers, and having no dirty things should be observed. These are very important in lower tantras. In higher tantras, formal things are less important. In the Ghana Puja, according to the Anu-yoga system, you can use meat and alcohol normally, not necessarily in a ritualistic way, because we are going into the essence. First, we invite gurus, devas, dakinis and guardians, and then saying Vajrasattva Kam, we imagine infinite offerings. This is much more important than material offerings. In lower tantras, material things are considered more important, but in the real sense, no one is eating and drinking. We have invited gurus, devas and dakinis, but offerings remain there on the altar. Someone says that the dish for the three roots is for the teacher, because the teacher is the guru, but also the teacher is doing Ghana Puja offerings to gurus, devas and dakinis. Often people asked, what should we do with the first dish prepared for gurus, devas and dakinis? Should we throw it away? In Tibet, most of the time after Ghana Puja, we use it for eating and drinking. We throw away only the remains. The most important point is visualizing the offerings, saying Vajrasattva Kam. In this way, we accumulate merits that we produce with the function of the mind, not with material offerings. We use material offerings because we have a very strong attachment to food, cakes, and so on. For example, we think, oh, I like sweets or candies very much. In the sutra teachings, they are of offering a great deal of sweets to the statue of Buddha, but Buddha never eats anything. Everything remains there, and later when it is rotting, it gets thrown away. So it doesn't work that way on a material level. It works because we have the intention to offer. Enlightened beings are omniscient. They know our intention very well when we manifest infinite offerings and how we produce infinite merits. That is far better than offering concrete things. When I started to teach, sometimes we did a puja for the guardians because they protect our samaya and transmission. If we do something wrong, we should contact the guardians for purifying. So we lit an incense and a candle and offered a sirkim to drink, some wine or tea or milk, and we did the puja. Then someone asked me, why do these offerings remain? The guardians do not drink them. This is true. Though the guardians are not coming and drinking, still what is most important is our intention and visualization. Then I understood many things that I never thought about before. In Tibet, people say, I try to do my best for applying Dharma. Every night I'm offering a butter lamp to a statue or a Tankara Buddha. Light is not necessary during the day, but in this way, Buddha is never remaining in the dark. My Dharma practice is offering a butter lamp lasting the whole night. In the real sense, this is not Dharma practice. It becomes a good action because that person is convinced of doing something good. Therefore, his intention, not the butter lamp, is producing something positive. Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, and enlightened beings do not have any problem of light and dark. We have this problem, so we think, Buddha is like me. During the night he cannot see. So in Vajrayana practice, offering with Vajrasattva is very important.